Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another interesting session on theme builder. So please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So what is theme builder? So as of now everybody know, so theme is applied on every mobile applications. You know that theme is currently applied on all the mobiles, and as well as theme is coming differently on web application, mobile application. So theme builder play a very good role in UI based thing, such as like how people wanted to see the environment which they are working or which they are utilizing day by day, right? So theme builder is used for creating a theme inside ServiceNow. So it is a guided low code tool for creating themes so that you can reflect your company brand in your experience, right? And this theme builder will definitely save your huge amount of time for configuring various themes for your company, right? So we can create any type of custom theme here, and you can utilize to change your theme and how it should be looking whenever you try to log into your system, right? So what it does is like it will create a theme which include various UI features like brand colors, logo, corner shapes, and as well as it initiates a wizard workflow. And through this we can edit our theme whenever any style changes is required. So we can change our color, whatever color is suggested to be utilized, and as well as we can see the changes of your theme as an preview version, so you can check how your theme looks like. And as well as we can manage and publish our themes for our company. So what are the key features of theme builder? So we can create theme as like already mentioned, and as well as we can edit our theme at any point of time, and we can manage and publish our themes in our instance at one location, and you can definitely create multiple themes. And as well as we can define the presentation order of themes which is displayed under next experience user preferences. So let's try to proceed and see how theme builder will work, or how we can create a theme inside theme builder. So first of all you have to enable the theme builder plugin. So if I'll search for theme builder, currently I will not get anything within the theme builder, right? So what I will do is like I will try to install this plugin. So I will search plugins, and under plugin I will search my theme builder. All right, so this is the theme builder plugin, and what I will do is like I will try to install this theme builder, and I will show you how you can create a theme for your instance or for your company instance. All right, so let me try to click on install, and I will install it now. The version is the latest one, and I will click on install. So let's wait for some time, and then we will try to build something on theme builder and see how our instance will look like, and how you can change the color, or you can create a personalized theme for your company or your personal developer instance. All right, so let's wait for some time. Let this plugin get installed. So now you can see that our plugin is currently installed, and now we will try to search our theme builder under filter navigator, and now I will search here theme builder. Okay, yeah, so you can see we have our theme builder now available for under theme management. So as soon as I will click on theme builder, I will get a brand new UI where we can manage or personalize our theme. All right, so let it open first, and then we will continue from there. So currently you can see we have home page here displayed, and we can see what theme builder can do. Like you can set up your theme in a few quick and easy steps, and then we can preview our experience, and you can see there are multiple themes. So here you can see 4 themes are displaying here, and then you can do various things here. So no expertise is needed, it will save time and money, and it will upgrade safe. So you can see there is a create a theme button, and under page you can get the home button, manager button, where you can manage all your themes, and as well as in editor section you can edit your theme, how you want to edit your theme. So you can see how it looks like here, right? So similar way, this is manager and this is your home. So what we will do is, like, we will try to create one of the theme and we will try to apply it in this personal developer instance, so it will look really cool for you. So currently you can see this is a basic out of the box a theme applied on my system. All right, so now I will click on create a theme. So under create a theme, they will provide some of the information, like you will need a few things to set up your theme: a logo, a company logo, brand color palette, like primary, secondary, and other additional colors, right? So we can provide all those information, and we should be having these information, then only we will be able to create a brand, a theme, right? So let me click on continue. So I will give it a name, LearnIT theme creation. So now I will click on next. So step by step you can follow your process, how you want to keep the color for yourself, for your theme. So now you can see this is gray color is set. So now I will change it to some other color. Suppose I will use this color, and I will apply, and you can see this is a brand primary color. So I will set it as a brand primary color. You can set any of your color or the color provided by your company. All right, so now here is secondary color. We can try to change secondary color to this. So I have used secondary color, this one, and this is your primary color, and suppose this is the neutral one. So I will try to create neutral brand color. So we can add additional colors here. So I will not add any new color or different color. So logo is already applied there, so I will not use logo also. So now here you can see we have what we can select, whatever font is required to be utilized for your theme, right? So you can see it is already selected as Source Sans Pro. So what I will do is, like, I personally like some other one, so that is cabin. So I will click on next, and now here you can see we have a square, less rounded, more rounded, most rounded. For the corner, whatever corner shapes you are preferring, just you will see this is a rectangle, pure square. If I select this, it will get changed. If I select this, it will get changed. If I select this, it will become more nice. So I will select most rounded one, and I will click on next, and now you can see here this is primary color, this is secondary color, and this is neutral color. And now what is the typography and shape used is cabin and most rounded one. And now I will click on create theme. So now you can see we can see how this will look like, how this will be looking when you try to access your instance. All right, see how it will be looking, button text, and how things will be visible for me. right? And now we have multiple things here to check what all colors you can use. See, background, we have divider, background. I think I will select this. Or we can select this also. You can see this is the theme changed here, and similarly I would like to use other one. No, this doesn't look good. So I will go with white only because it will be clearly visible. All right. So we have background divider. We can change the divider color also. So suppose what I will select, I will have to select this one. So we can see we have particular theme provided everywhere, so we can check and apply the theme. All right. So we can do all other stuffs here. We can change many more colors, and now we can upload our logo. We can check our font here, and we can see cabin is applied and corner is applied, right? So now you can see how our instance is looking, right? So now you can see we have global application, and I will apply this to our global application. And now let's see. Not this one. You can see other things also displaying here. Component, all the component style, button, and you can see the text for your form, list, and we can modify a lot of things here. Almost everything you can modify, and how your button and all, how your chat box and how your heading and text color should be looking, right? So you can check each and everything here, right? So now what I will do is like let me try to enable this and see how it will be looking. Let me see, everything is fine, and then we will try to use it for us. We will go under manager section, and you can see we have our LearnIT US web and this, right? So we will click on these three dots, and we will click on publish, and I will click on publish, and now you can see our theme is published here. So these two are the one which is not, we are not using, and this is the one which is published. So now let me reload the form and see. Now you can see the changes is applied here. right? So this is the color, this is secondary, and this is other one, right? So you can see the theme is applied. And now let me try to open our incident. So you can see this button is a most rounded one, and this is how this color is changing. Secondary color is dark, so you can see secondary color is dark, and you can see the font is already changed to your relevant family. And now you will see how this how your incident will be looking. See, the button is looking really good, and how your text and background button color is changed, and how this is looking. You can see it is looking really cool. So when you have applied your theme, this rounded text is created, right? So this looks really cool. So how you can create the theme, this is a really interesting one. And you can create your theme in your PDI or for your company, how they want it to be created, and you can get the requirement from your client, and then you can configure the theme accordingly. And as well as you can show them how well this instance will be looking when you try to apply some theme, or you try to create some theme for our company instance. All right, so yeah, so please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. Provide anything, whatever it comes to your mind, or if you have any query related to theme builder, or if you are not able to use theme builder for your personal developer instance, so please do let me know in my comment section. For more information, please visit description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.